Next roll we're going to do is the Italian. So you're going to get your dough piece, using your little finger, you're going to saw it in the middle, so you've got like a little dumbbell like that. Slightly dust your table. Using a rolling pin, you're going to roll it out. You'll have to have a little bit of patience with this one. Don't put too much pressure on to get it bigger, because you'll rip the dough. Gently roll it out. So then we're going to roll it into the middle, turn it in the opposite direction. We're going to roll that into the middle, and then if you turn it upside down, you've got the Italian.